Hindi pala na ito. Welcome to my vlog. Andito na naman kami. Sakay na naman kami sa aeroplano. Kung isitali kami. Isitali. Laki. Malaki ng aeroplano namin. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. Kaya pala marami yung ano nila, flight stewardess nila, malaki. Hello, Chloe. Chloe. Ayan na naman kami.
Buti na paano kayo?
Ha?
Pumili kayo agad eh.
Nang?
Pumila agad. Kung pumila agad.
Sandali lang. Diyan. Sandali lang ang pila namin. Dapat pala may isang ito guys, meron silang ito para kakain kami mamaya. Ayan. At, ayan. Tapos meron silang dito, pag mahaba pala biyahe, may pa-kumot sila. Ayan. Tapos ano pa ba nakikita rito? Ito, ano to? Meron silang ban. Pwede silang magbasa. Saan kaya si Angelo dito? Kala mo sanay siya magbasa eh, no? Ito pala yung CR. Diyan pala ang CR. Ito pala yung tinuduro nga pala. Bakit ganun? Gumagalaw. Gumagalaw na agad. Maalog pala pag malaki, ha? Maalog pag malaki.
For cruising altitude of 34,000. We expect fair weather during the flight. Our estimated arrival time in Hanoi is at 1:45 in the morning. And for information, Hanoi is 1 hour behind Manila. Be careful.
Mabuhay at magandang gabi po muli sa inyong lahat. Buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa PR 595 patungong Hanoi. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines The Art with the Filipino welcomes you on board PR 595 bound for Hanoi. Our pilot in command is Captain J. Serrano, assisted by First Officer Valdez Salvador. This is your first remarkable Gonzalez. Our estimated flying time is approximately 2 hours and 50 minutes at a cruising altitude of 34,000 feet. This flight is code-shared with Vietnam Airlines. We will now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus A330. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift up the buckle and pull free end to release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seat or in the middle of your armrest. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist and push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cord at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings, immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. Emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. Fire extinguishers are positioned around the aircraft. Instructions on how to use them are seen on the fire extinguisher buttons. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets. Window shades open.
Sorry sir. Bags po under the seat na lang po in front of you, please. Thank you.
Smoking, vaping, or the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed. Be mindful of your belongings throughout the flight and keep your valuable possessions secured. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Ito ang aming food. Magwarap ko lang dito. Ready ba kami? Lalagyan mo ba? Yan ang food namin dito. Good morning. Dito na kami sa Hanoi. Hanoi, no? Hanoi. Kararating lang namin. 2. Oh. 2. Kararating lang namin 2 a.m. Umalis kami ay pag walang ano.
You may claim your baggage at carousel number 7. Number 7, passenger.